Have you been looking for protection, my beautiful soul? Have you been looking to protect your energy, to protect your heart, your mind from unwanted thoughts, your space from unwanted guests, your life from unwanted circumstances? I know you have, as we all have and still are. For today, I invite you to welcome the ability to see the world from a higher multidimensional perspective of you. If you're ready to explore this, I invite you to notice this beautiful circle of pure light in front of you. It's about 10 feet diameter. As you notice that circle, when you enter that circle, you will notice life from an entirely different perspective, something that will allow you to explore your own superpower and divinity. However, you can only enter this space with your pure rawness, openness, vulnerability, and authenticity of who you are. This is a sacred place to be treated as such. So before you enter this bubble, I invite you to begin unclothing from all the thoughts, all that you have to do today, tomorrow, for the rest of your life. Begin unclothing yourself of all the burdens you carry from others or for others or in relationship with others. Any duties, obligations that are calling you, unclothe yourself from all of those too. It will only be a few minutes, yet enough to give you an entire new perspective of all that is. So for the next few moments, I invite you to unclothe yourself from the ego, from your name, from your identity, from your personality, from your humanness, from anything that you've learned so far to be. Take them all off. To truly see the wholeness of who you are, you have to rise above of what you think you are. Only from that perspective can you truly see, understand, feel, sense, and become. So if your eyes are closed and all the outside noises have quieted down, or you simply choose to let them outside of your field be, and you find yourself truly wholly naked to the purest rawness of all that you are, parts of yourself that you've never shown to anyone. They're all welcome in this space. So parts of you that you've left behind in the womb, in the childhood, in your teenage years, any parts of you that is critical, that is judgmental, that is ugly, that is dark, there is anything that you've left behind, bring them all in here, naked, raw, open, all of them in a circle of wholeness that you are. Bring them all in. Beautiful. Now that you're ready to embrace all that you are, step into this pure bubble of light. Notice the envelopment of energy of pure love, infinity. Notice the divine ecstasy penetrating through every particle of your field. Notice feeling so light, so euphoric, feeling so transcendent. Notice that there is no beginning and end to what you are, who you are, and where you could be. Enjoy the delicious taste of silence within you. You are in a state of oneness, in a state of wholeness, in a state of all that makes you you. You are the sun, the animals, the soil, the buildings, the sky, the constellation. You are all creation in one. How can you need protection from anything when you are one with all that is? We're simply searching for an illusion, hiding parts of ourselves that are hurting because the outside world is mirroring and reminding us of what we have left behind. I invite you to notice the hologram that we're living in, that every person in your life and every circumstance is simply mirroring to you the part that you have hidden, left, and forgotten. They're simply reminding you to bring that part back home, forgive it, love it, nourish it, and welcome it as you. Because nothing is truly left behind. Everything is here now and always will be. So I invite you to explore the idea of expanding into all that you are instead of searching endlessly for ways to protect and hide. I invite you to be all that you could be. You can choose to remain in this bubble and walk through life, embracing your wholeness and knowing that you are light. If it's too much for you and you simply want to come back to this journey and experience it for a few moments at a time, then I invite you to come out of the bubble and continue on knowing that you will forever be expanded every time you choose to embrace all that you could be. That has been the transmission for you today. And I am called to invite you to a beautiful soul healing journey. We are doing this Saturday live on Zoom. I will leave the link below. Sign up and come join me live. Let's experience this beautiful, transcendent space of becoming all that we could be in a gathered community. I love you. Until the next time.